gonna go check out the Rietvlei Nature Reserve.
Yeah, right in this residential area. This is interesting. Nature Reserve. Here we are.
Arriving at Rietvlei Nature Reserve on the right.
Okay, we just got ourselves signed in. Well, it looks like they have lion tours, but the rest is just kind of a drive-through, but the lion tour is separate.
It's blinds.
And there's bird blinds, that'd be interesting.
And they have a picnic area, and he announced that right after the lions. So I was wondering if it was the lions' picnic. I guess we're here. Here's the coffee shop way over here.
Okay. I'd like to go to some of the bird blinds.
We're being very quiet in the bird blind. It's very savannah.
Yeah, it is. Which one are you the most afraid of?
You. Big bad rhino. Snoozing in what used
Flowers.
flowers, yeah. They just got this gracefulness about them, don't they?
Field of electricity. Love bird blinds.
Come, my dear, come look, quick.
What do we see? Oh my goodness, look at all those fish. Oh, that's a cool bird blind.
I think we found the John Lennon bird.
Discovered something interesting. Part of this blind has collapsed into the water, and the one we're sitting on is kind of on an angle too.
And wiggly.
And wiggly, so let's hope it kind of lasts while we're in here. There he is.
Okay. Oh, look, that one's got a stubby tail. Somebody chewed it off. Well, that was some cool stuff. There's the buffalo way across the valley, and the
herd's coming in.
the road we're gonna take should take us close to there.
Yeah, there's some young ones running around, but they're really far away. We've seen a huge herd of eland. They were too far away for us to take
About 60
take some
head,
video.
50 head.
But we've seen the black wildebeest, ostriches,
It's just a matter
the
of
rhino, like Russ said, and of course zebra.
zebra. I like how you say
Zebra.